In the last lesson, we showed you the proper way to stir a drink. But drinks like the jalapeno margarita need to be shaken. So I'm going to show you the proper way to shake a drink. Let's get started. Now you shake a drink to chill it and dilute it. And you shake ingredients that wouldn't mix together properly by simply being stirred. So these would be ingredients like cream, citrus, fruits, juices, eggs. Drinks that you want to be frothy or foamy have to be shaken. And drinks in that category would be margaritas, daiquiris, kamikazes. They all have to be shaken. Drinks that you would not shake would be drinks that are carbonated, or drinks that are spirit forward like Negronis, Old Fashions, Boulevardiers. The most popular bartending tool for shaking a drink is the Boston shaker, which is this right here. And it comes in 3 pieces. So we have a metal tin and also a mixing glass. And this is tempered glass, so that if it breaks, it doesn't slice you up the way a regular piece of glass would. And then there's also the Hawthorne strainer. And this stringy piece here fits almost any mixing tin. Now, all Boston shakers do not have to have a glass mixing tin. It can also be metal. Still a Boston shaker. This right here is a popular shaker that you see in a lot of home bars. It's a cobbler shaker. So the bottom is the mixing tin, and then you have the strainer built into the top, and then a little cover that goes over so that when you shake, okay, it's like this. You see this at a lot of home bars. The problem with this one is when this gets cold and wet, these 3 pieces tend to stick together and are really difficult to separate. So I don't particularly like this one. I prefer Boston shaker. Now, if you're at home, you probably don't have either one of these. How about this? This right here is a mason jar with a cover on. You put your ingredients in and shake. It'll taste just the same. No one will know the difference. And if you don't have a mason jar, maybe you have a water bottle that has a cover on it. Anything that you could shake in, totally use that. It's fine. So guys, what we have here, I'm going to make a raspberry kamikaze. So there's fruits. That's something that has to be shaken. And this is vodka, triple sec, lime juice. Lime juice is another ingredient that has to be shaken. So, equal parts. Now I come behind with my ice, and you want to half fill it or 3/4 fill it with ice. Kind of almost full, but half to 3/4. Now I take this and I pour it in and seal with a little tap. So what's gonna happen here is the coldness is gonna create this nice vacuum. So this is sealed, they're stuck together, okay? When you shake, you're gonna shake for 10 to 12 seconds. You want the glass piece facing you, okay? So if this separates for whatever reason, the drink spills on you and not the person sitting in front of you. And the goal is to get the ice to go back and forth, okay? And really agitate the ingredients in here, really get them to mix up. Now guys, as you shake, you don't just need to go back and forth. This is your time to shine, to put your personal flair on it. So shake however you want. Okay, whatever you want to do, you have fun with it. This is your time to shine and show your personal flair. Now, one of the most difficult things about Boston shakers sometimes is getting the glass separated from the tin, because these are really stuck together. This is a vacuum seal. So here's what to do. You're gonna tap this, but you're not gonna tap it where the glass and the tin touch. You're not gonna tap it where the glass and the tin are furthest apart. You're gonna get it right in the junction where the glass and the tin begin to separate with an open palm and just bam. Perfect. Comes apart super easy. Now I put my Hawthorne strainer on top, fits the mixing tin, and you see the liquid just comes out the bottom, and those spirals keep in the ice. But Sky, I don't have a Hawthorne strainer to strain my drink. Okay, no problem. Here's a little bartending trick. You take the mixing glass that you were just using, okay, and you put it into your mixing tin like this. It doesn't give you as good a strain, but it still works. But Sky, is that hygienic? It's frowned upon, okay? But it works, okay? So guys, that's how to shake a drink. So go out there and shake it, okay? And show me your shake. Later.